Complex engineering challenges demand more than a single tool. That's why so many engineers rely on Autodesk PDM, Product Design and Manufacturing Collection, the most complete set of robust design, simulation, and manufacturing tools. With this collection in your hands, you'll work faster, minimize risks, and bring ideas to life, whether it's products, machines, or entire factories. Autodesk Inventor powers 3D design, even for highly complex, customized machinery projects. Autodesk AutoCAD delivers fast, reliable 2D drafting tools, essential for manufacturing plans and factory layouts. Inventor Nastrayan lets you simulate, test, and validate performance early, giving you confidence at every stage of design. Factory Design Utilities help you plan smarter production environments, boosting efficiency and reducing downtime. Autodesk Fusion connects your work to the cloud with advanced engineering workflows. With AI-driven cloud integration for manufacturing, your team can automate, collaborate seamlessly, and scale without friction. Whether you're building industrial machinery, designing custom construction products, or transforming entire factories, the PDM collection empowers you to plan, design, simulate, and manufacture without barriers. Because solving complex engineering problems takes more than one tool, this collection brings together everything you need to tackle them with confidence and efficiency.